Wanted to talk about Wells Fargo creating a mess for people's credit scores. As of today, this morning, I saw in the news Wells Fargo is canceling people's credit. The regular people, like outside on the street, whoever has credit with them, they're canceling. Well, every customer who has a credit line with them, they're going to cancel out those existing credit lines, as well as not accepting new applications. The new application part is not the problem, because those are people who they haven't done a credit for. The problem is they might be canceling credit lines for existing customers, and you know, when you close a credit line, it hits your credit score a little bit. So people who's having credit scores that might be good, imagine they're closing your credit, and your score will be dropping a little because the bank decides to close your credit line. Isn't that how unfair is? Your big banks, these big companies, like the big wealthy people, can take advantage of the little guys and not giving a rat's you know what about how they affect these people. They're either canceling the credit lines, or charging you for things that you probably don't need, for services, making you pay for stuff that you don't really need. It's horrible what these companies and these big shots people are doing to regular customers. The same thing Wells Fargo did to customers back in 2016 time, when the government busted them for opening accounts and charging people's fees and stuff. Probably opening accounts for people who didn't sign for it. Who knows, maybe forging signatures, God knows what the government find. Everything has been released. Probably find details where you and me could go see the documents. But just to know that they're going to close down people's line of credit and affecting people's credit scores, it's horrible. I don't believe this. It's just like they could just do what they want, and just like people will live and survive as usual as before. I mean, besides depending on the line of credit, the thing is they're gonna ruin people's credit line. So if you're coming out of the pandemic, barely getting by, you're recovering, and maybe you have a little decent credit score, and you haven't had any credit reflection or action that's negative. Now you're trying to refinance your mortgage or something, or trying to buy a house. You're gonna have these banks just deciding to close out lines of credits and affecting people's scores. It's so unfair these big banks can do this. I really don't understand. We're just hardworking people. I work in a bank myself, but at the same time, we don't offer these credit lines. But it's a big bank. Having a big bank, sometimes you need those credits. You want to go get it, but besides they're not offering it, we'll probably have to find other places to go get it. The thing is, they're going to be closing down the line of credit again and affecting your scores, which is horrible. If you guys, please leave a comment below if you guys are Wells Fargo customers and who will be affecting these lines of credits, or did you get a letter from them telling you that they're doing this to you? If they feel like they could run you over, just and just do whatever the hell they want. Like, don't give a damn about regular people. I mean, rich people have a lot of money. They probably might not need credit or good credit, or don't really care for a great credit score. But imagine, guys like me, we're working, and or even if you're not working, you have good credit scores, and you want to do something credit-wise, or you have the job and you want to do something credit-wise, and you have a good credit score or anything, and you have some business with Wells Fargo, and all of a sudden they decide to close your credit and mess up your score a little. And instead of getting a preferred rate, you probably get a crappy rate because of something Wells Fargo did to your financial credit scores, your FICO score. So if this is something that affected you, or if you're a Wells Fargo customer, I had a Wells Fargo mortgage before, and they were horrible. The customer service is terrible. They don't do anything good for you. It's all they worry about is trying to charge you fees and harass you every time. But the good thing I never took out a credit card with them. It's a horrible company, and it's too bad that they're gonna do this to people. If you have been affected, or you want to give your thoughts, please hit the like button if you like what I'm saying, or if you agree with me, or whatever you think. I'll leave your comment. Whether you agree or not, leave a comment, and I'm gonna get hurt by it. And please help the channel by hitting the subscribe button and helping the like button, and please pass on the word and share this video with your friends and family about these big banks like Wells Fargo messing everybody up. All right, hope to hear from you guys. Thank you. I will do a next video. This is regular Quick Reds. Normally we talk technology, but today we're talking finance and a little bit about the bank affecting the regular guys. All right, thank you. Have a nice day.